As to the name of this seminar, like in our industry, I think the biggest battle that we have is a lack of viability, like financial viability, in the sense that there's a lot of creativity and a lot of great people who are great hosts and great cooks and great artists. I think that why the restaurant business is so notoriously bad, or a bad investment, or a bad business, is that people fundamentally lack a certain amount of business savvy, and a lot of people get into it who really don't have advisors or partners who can kind of guide them. And I think that you know, in our business, art without commerce is a hobby, right? So commerce is the most fundamental aspect of what we do. You have to show up in that restaurant every day, and you have to make money. And if you don't make money, the restaurant and everything that's good about it and all the art's going to go away. So margin and commerce are the fundamental roots of every restaurant, and it allows us to become creative, to become expressive. It allows people to become great chefs. It allows restaurants to become great because we make money, because the restaurants have margins. They survive and thrive and generate profit. And without that, there's really nothing. So commerce, at the end of the day, is the driving force, the most fundamental aspect of everything we do, and tempers and kind of moderates every decision we make in our partnerships and our business dealings, because without it, there's really nothing.